Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with clean, dry hair and comb through all tangles carefully. Measure your hair length and confirm you have at least 3-5 inches to clip safely. Select wefts sized for short hair, including some narrow 2-inch pieces for the sides. Gather tools, a tail comb, sectioning clips, texturizing spray, and a mirror. Apply a light texturizing spray for grip and allow it to dry before you begin. Create a lower horizontal part about 1 inch above the nape and clip the upper hair up. Start with a medium weft centered at the lower back for even weight distribution. Place narrow 2-inch wefts at the sides where hair is shortest for a natural blend. Close each clip with the teeth together and snap firmly until you feel it catch the base hair. Smooth top layers over the wefts and check the fit in a mirror. Blend the extensions by curling top layers to match the weft texture and length for a seamless finish. Use a small amount of heat protectant and avoid heavy styling products that can slip clips. Lightly tease the roots where clips sit to increase grip when needed. Remove extensions gently each night by opening the clips and sliding them out slowly to protect your hair. Store wefts flat in a storage box to keep shape and clips functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.